everybody, it's Nisa. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize my hair. I'm going to show you which products I use before I get into the video. So the first product that I use is this Cantu Coconut Curling Cream Moisturizer. Honestly, you do not have to use Cantu because I know a lot of people don't like this, but it works for my hair, so this is why I like using it. But you can use any moisturizer. And the next product that I will be using is castor oil. I actually put this castor oil inside of this little container. This is not the original container that this came in, but I will leave what type of castor oil I use down below in the description box. The next product that I use for my hair is this Spectrum Virgin Coconut Oil, and I do advise that you use virgin, raw, unrefined coconut oil. So the next product that I use as my leave-in conditioner is this Coconut Curls Conditioner. This is actually a rinse out conditioner, but I do use this as a leave-in because I really like it. And this is the last product that I use. I will be going into detail of the order of the products that I use, as well as how I detangle my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and just keep watching. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is part the back of my hair, and I already washed and deep conditioned my hair. After I rinsed out my deep conditioner, I used the Quenching Coconut Curls Conditioner as my leave-in. When it comes to moisturizing my hair, one method that I do like using is the LCO method. L stands for leave-in conditioner, C stands for cream, and O stands for oil. Since I already used the Quenching Coconut Curls Conditioner as my leave-in, the next letter is C, and that's the cream, and that's the Cantu moisturizer that I'm putting in my hair right now. Using a leave-in conditioner and then a cream on top and then an oil on top of that will help seal in all of the moisture in your hair. Next, I'm taking some of that Spectrum coconut oil and I'm putting it right on top of my Cantu moisturizer. When it comes to detangling my hair, I just like to take piece by piece and separating with my fingers instead of using a comb because that can cause a lot of breakage, so I'm just separating each piece with my fingers. Here, I'm just twisting this section just so I can keep it out of the way while I moisturize the rest of my hair. So the next thing I'm doing is taking that castor oil and I'm putting it on my ends. This is to seal my ends in order to prevent breakage. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this LCO method one more time to moisturize my hair. So right here I'm using the Cantu Moisturizing Coconut Cream, and since I already put in my leave-in conditioner, I'm putting this cream right on top of the leave-in. So after I use my cream, I'm putting coconut oil right on top to seal in all of the moisture. And right here, I am just finger detangling my hair. I'm just taking piece by piece and separating it so it won't be tangled. Here, I'm just twisting this section just to keep it out of the way while I continue to moisturize the rest of my hair. And then to seal the ends of my hair, I am putting castor oil right on top. And this is what it should look like when it's all done. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just separate each twist. And this is what your hair should look like when it's all done. It's very moisturized and healthy. I really like using this method, especially during the wintertime when it's very, very cold, because the weather is very harsh to your hair and the weather can cause breakage. But honestly, you can use this LCO method any time of the year. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. Everything will be down below. Also, make sure you comment down below any suggestions you would like me to do next, regardless if that's hair or makeup. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.